Meet Alice. She runs a company. She uses Microsoft Excel every day to run her business. Meet Charlie. He is a colleague of Alice, and works for the IT department. Alice works in business intelligence, and typically resort to Charlie to obtain information on the state of the company. As soon as Charlie receives a phone call from Alice, he needs to access the company information system, and to extract the data requested. He then imports the data in Excel and formats it to obtain a more pleasant representation. Then he writes an email message to Alice to send her the XLS file. However, the state of the company is dynamic and evolves over time. So Alice, to be able to take the appropriate decisions, needs to work on the updated version of the state of the company. And guess what? She asks Charlie again. When Alice receives the updated version via email, she opens the attached spreadsheet with Excel, copies the relevant data and imports it in her workbook to work on it, and then again, and again, and again. By doing this way, Alice will never be sure to have the last data version, and Charlie will have to keep on extracting new data. With SpreadSheetSpace, all this belonged to history. Charlie uses the SpreadSheetSpace's SDK to configure the company's information system to send the new data versions to Alice, directly on Excel. SpreadSheetSpace takes care of everything. Alice no longer asks Charlie to receive the new data versions, whereas she is directly notified as soon as that new data versions are available. Alice does not have to leave Excel. She just clicks on the Import button in the SpreadSheetSpace panel, and selects the desired view. As soon as the information system publishes an update, SpreadSheetSpace immediately propagates it available to the recipient's worksheets. Nobody has to worry to retrieve the latest data version. SpreadSheetSpace. As easy as that.